Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be cleaning our dog. So his name is Puppy Love. So first things first, we are going to wet his fur. As you can see, we are doing it in portions, from the back going to the front. And as you can see, the dog is still because he loves taking a bath every so often. So you may let me know in the comment section, for those of us with pet dogs, how often do you clean your pet dog? For us, it's on need basis, but we at least try every once in 2 weeks. So we shall wet him until he's fully soaked in water, and then we shall show you the next process. But I can show you the products that we use. So the first thing that we normally would use is the dog shampoo. This is a natural antibacterial dog shampoo with tea tree oils and lavender oils. That's something to also make him smell very nice. So let me also know what dog shampoo you use. So this is a natural antibacterial dog shampoo with tea tree and lavender oils. So that's one. So the other product that we use on the dog is this Doo-Doo cream. It's an insecticidal pet shampoo using natural pyrethrum. It's also a shampoo, but it's enhanced with insecticidal components, as you can see. So dogs are prone to getting ticks, fleas and lice, so this helps to prevent them. So our dog minder is using some gloves to wet the dog with water. So we are soaping him with the first shampoo. This is Doo-Doo cream. So soap him generously, soap your pet generously, or rather in our case we do it generously. Then it's always good to use protective wear. You can wear gloves because you don't know how these chemicals or shampoos will react to you. So we shall continue with this process until he is fully shampooed. So we are rinsing off the first shampoo. It's been 30 minutes after. Remember, we had applied the shampoo that gets rid of ticks and fleas. So that has been sitting with him for the last half an hour. So that is what he tends to do when you're rinsing him. So once we are done with this process, we shall go in with the next shampoo. This will be the last shampoo. This is with tea tree and lavender oils. So we normally shampoo him twice. Want me to, I
just can't measure up. No, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy, you want me to. I just don't dress the part. No, I ain't got Nikes in my.
Like you can see, we normally tie him with his leash so that he's in a good position to be washed. So it's been 30 minutes after the second shampoo. So we are rinsing off our pet dog, and then now we shall put him out to dry. So the whole process takes us almost an hour and a half because of the waiting periods.
I will never be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up. No, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part. No, I ain't got night.
So a clean dog translates to a happy owner and a happy home and a secure home. Come. So we leave him out to sun dry. Alikuwa na susu mob.
MTV on a stage wearing shoes made of diamonds, singing songs about you like a siren. No, I won't be what you seem to need, cause I don't see what you seem to see. Ain't got troops in a crowd all united, ain't got you screaming loud and excited. I can't ever be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up. No, I'm not insane